In this video I will show you how to clone a repository. So go to your GitHub account and open the repository you want to clone. Click here on code, then copy this HTTPS address. After that open VS Code, and what you can do is press Ctrl Shift P if you are on Windows or Linux, and if you are on MacBook, then Command Shift P. That will prompt this window, and you need to type git clone, and then click on this and then paste the URL and click on that URL. So it will ask for new folder permission to create repository into. So mine one is on desktop, YouTube, and test. I selected this, and then would you like to open that? Yeah, open in this window itself, and that repository is cloned now. So on repository I had 3 files. I can see that here, and let's say if I modify something in here, this is something added now, and if I save this, I can see the changes I did here. I need to commit that here. I will add message added new line maybe, and then I will commit, and I can push basically. And when I will push this the git fetch, no, so yeah, when I will push that, I can see my changes here. This is something new added. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can clone the repository and make changes.